In this video, we'll show you how to buy and sell stocks in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you can make a lot of money from stocks in GTA 5, but note that you can also lose money if the price drops. So invest at your own risk. Now to access the stock market, you can open up your phone and then select the internet icon. Once you're in the browser, go to the Money and Service tab at the top of the page, and you'll see two different stock market options, LCN and BOSAC. You can click either LCN or BOSAC. Now to buy stocks, you can go to Market, and here you'll see few company from the list. You can click on the company name to open the details page and click on the buy icon. Use the arrows on your keyboard to choose how many shares you want to purchase, and then you can click confirm. And then you've now invested in that company. To sell stocks, you can go back to the stock market and click on my portfolio at the top of the screen, and you'll see a list of stocks you currently own. Click the one you want to sell. You can choose how many shares to sell, or just click sell all and then click confirm, and that's it.